How y'all doing today? I'm John Adino, your behind the scenes extraordinaire with BPF Black Phoenix Films. I'm responsible for this setup. I'm gonna walk you guys through what we have here today. Today, guys, this is very important when you're shooting a stationary shot. We have our Manfrotto professional tripod with different locking mechanisms and just a lot of things you can do with it. It's very essential to have a good tripod to shoot with. This setup is so important because it's stable, sturdy, and reliable. This setup we have here on the Blackmagic is about 10 to 15, maybe 20 pounds depending. You don't want it on anything weak. All right, guys, next up we got our key light. We use the Aperture 300D Mark II. Attached to it, we have a parabolic softbox along with a diffuser, which is so important because we want to provide a nice soft light for our talent so they can have a nice glow coming from their skin. Right here, what we have is our audio setup. We used the Rode NTG2, and what we did is rigged it to a C-stand so nobody has to hold it. And right here, what we have is our backlight. Today we use 2 GVM, great video maker lights. A cool feature about these lights is they have a slave and master mode. Over here at Black Phoenix, we just call it the mama and the baby. Last but not least, in addition to all the things you've seen today, we also like to use a hair light. So what we use today for our hair light is just the wand. And as you can see, as you move back and forth between it, it's so essential to have that last little bit of light to make your video everything it needs to be.